Have you ever felt so tired that you wished you had a reset button for your brain, that you could regain clarity, access your creative ideas, find it easier to focus? What if the secret to this was so simple that it could be done by anyone at any time? What if it was literally to do just nothing? Hey guys, this is Anudeep here from the Reality Hack channel, and today I'm going to share with you all the power of resetting your mind, or also known as dopamine detox and what I call sensual abstinence. So this is basically done to heal your mind, body and soul while resetting you into inner peace and calmness. Quote, happiness depends upon ourselves. End quote. Aristotle. Abstinence is a self-enforced restraint from indulging in bodily activities that are widely experienced as giving pleasure. Most frequently, the term refers to sexual abstinence or abstinence from alcohol, drugs, or food and other mental stimulation or thoughts. Because the regime is intended to be a conscious act freely chosen to enhance life, abstinence is sometimes distinguished from the psychological mechanism of repression. So I tried practicing abstinence for a day since I was really tired of indulging myself in constant pleasures of the sense organs all the time, and it was getting worse. I've had been in a state of distress. These days we have so many distractions that it's hard for us to even let our mind be calm for a minute. We constantly want to feed our distractions, and with ever increasing amounts of dopamine and other brain chemicals being released, it's nearly impossible to stop our monkey mind. So I decided to try for a day not to consume any food, not to indulge in random thoughts, avoiding all kinds of media, mostly which doesn't help me in any way but bring more distractions. So all this avoidance for 24 hours. So to begin, let's start by understanding the different kinds of abstinence. We start off from the first one, which is food. Try to not consume anything for the day. Fast yourself. You can take juices or water, but nothing solid, and just keep your stomach empty, which helps the mind to stay calm and non-agitated. The next is from media. Our eyes and ears are constantly being fed by information. Our phones are one of the greatest distractions for us. We are constantly checking the screen when there is a buzz or a notification. So prevent yourself from all hearing and seeing of media. Then, after you get done with the two of the main distractions, the next is you have to stop yourself from engaging in your thoughts. Silence the mind by not thinking or dreaming and being in the present. We constantly lose ourselves in the mental prison, either in the thoughts of past or future, which has to be avoided. You have to avoid being lost in daydreams and thoughts. Try to focus on your breath. Bring your awareness back into the present. Next is sexual abstinence. Is the most powerful because sexual energy preserved and transmuted gets turned into spiritual energy, which is very potent. When you follow all other form of abstinence, your mind quickly finds a way for quick sense gratification, and lustful thoughts is one of them. But restrain yourself from it, abstain, know that you are closer to accomplishing your practice. Don't lose in your mind. Abstinence from sleep is another step, which is also the final one. After you abstain yourself from all other activities, your body and mind will tell you to fall asleep. But if you fall asleep, focus your awareness on your breath and slowly into your complete being. Just lay down or meditate the whole day. You can work lightly if you have to do something. By the end of the practice, you can do light workout and exercise. This will make you feel really good. Trust me. So this complete abstinence is really good if you're feeling lost and you want to reset yourself from avoiding burnouts of everyday life. Clarity of mind and calmness in being is the most important ultimate end result of this practice. I did feel very serene after this practice. In the end, I did manage to do some chores and work out, or even light exercise after taking a cold shower and lukewarm water bath. This felt amazing. You start to feel so relaxed and you experience a meditative type of calmness and serenity in your being. Ultimately, the whole process is to keep you with serenity, stillness, and calmness in the being. It feels really good. You will be at peace with yourself. Don't worry about anything. So, for this to completely work, you should always have a prerequisites of mental or psychological modifications. Knowing that there is nothing to worry in life and there is an inevitable end to everything. Nothing lasts forever. Pain, happiness, suffering, pleasures, all come and go. Nothing stays the same. Change is constant in this reality. So don't worry about anything. Break yourself free from the mental prison of past and future by completely eradicating the thoughts which make you feel anxious or depressed, by staying in the here and now and doing what you need and want for the moment is the only real thing. I too was in a mental prison where I constantly have been depressed from my past expectation and my fears and pain which get amplified in the present because we still hold on to our past, and the same goes about worrying about the future while we constantly think what I have to do for tomorrow, not realizing that everything I want to be is in the moment, here and now, the present, and have to work on the here and now. Sometimes we tend to fantasize, oh, I have this, I will be happy. We constantly loop around instead of truly living the life. But when we get what we want, the desire doesn't last. It quickly moves on to something new, thinking it's gonna bring us happiness. So we keep chasing for the fool's gold and not truly living. Life is about the journey, not the destination. Quote. Tune into your higher emotions like love, confidence, power, kindness, stillness, and inner peace. Abstaining is like meditation, but you consciously decide not to consume anything from the external, but focus on your being and awareness without getting lost in your thoughts, but by being completely aware of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button below. It would really help, and comment if you have any questions or suggestions for the video. And please subscribe. There is more amazing content coming for you. See you soon. Until next time.